So today we are changing the rear bumper on the Jeep. I don't know if you guys seen this, but I changed when I took my tire off, I built this platform here. Took over my tire, cut it in, fit that. Now everything gets locked away behind the tailgate. That fits up there really nice. Look at that. And I just got some carpet, cover it up with, and everything is, all my toe straps and everything's hidden underneath. But today we're changing the old bumper. Man, that old bumper is a piece of crap. Look at this thing. It's plastic. Probably float in the river. I don't know, but it's a piece of crap. So here's the new one. Matches my front one. There's the hooks, and this one weighs a lot. Gotta be about 50 pounds, but it has the integrated toe hitch thing, and I love this. This is a lot more bigger, like if you have a bigger tire back there, but it's just a good step for me. Toe hooks, all that. I guess I got these things for like $170 on eBay. So I'm just getting ready to put it back on. If any of you guys want to know any installation videos or anything like that, just go on my YouTube, Jeep Off-Road Arizona, and I have all my YouTube stuff on there. But yeah, I just painted the frame, got it all painted up, ready to go. Painted all the way up to the tailgate here, and yeah, we're just getting ready to put the rear bumper on. So much better, and I love how it comes with the reach adapter. See, here's the old one. I'm gonna put all these on Marketplace. I got that, the bumper, I got the front bumper, all the fenders they took off. So there we go. And these are LED lights, are so bright. They're so nice. All right, next video. See you later.